Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Blockspin. First, gather all essential documents, such as the vehicle title and maintenance records. Next, give your car a thorough cleaning, both inside and out, to make a strong first impression. Researching your car's current market value is crucial for setting a competitive price. Finally, address any minor repairs to boost its appeal and value. Once your car is ready, focus on creating an appealing listing. Take high-quality photos from several angles, including interior shots, to showcase its best features. Write a detailed and honest description, highlighting any upgrades or unique selling points. Choose reputable online platforms or local classifieds to reach a wide audience. You might also consider a for sale sign for local interest. When buyers start contacting you, respond promptly and be ready to answer their questions honestly. For test drives, arrange to meet in a safe, public location for everyone's peace of mind. Be open to negotiation, but always have a minimum acceptable price firmly in mind. Remember, never release your car or its keys until the payment is fully secured and verified. Finally, it is time to complete the transaction. Carefully fill out all required Blockspin transfer paperwork, ensuring accuracy. Crucially, confirm that the full payment has been received and cleared before you hand over the keys or any documents. Provide the buyer with all relevant vehicle documents. Lastly, remember to notify the Blockspin Department of Motor Vehicles about the sale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.